How to update Fortnite on PS5. First of all, you're going to want to get your PlayStation 5 controller and then click the middle bottom button because you're going to need to get it to the home screen of the PlayStation 5 console. So as you can see here, I'll grab the controller, then go ahead and click on the PlayStation logo right there. Then on the D-pad, go down and then scroll along until you see home. Click X on that. Then go to Fortnite and then go ahead and press this menu options button there. Then once you do that, you want to close the game first, obviously, so close the game, and then click on the options one there. Then you will be able to click on check for update there. If there is an update available, it will tell you, you'll be able to download it, but for me, because it's fully updated, then it will not be there. And if you just simply log on and click on the Fortnite app to load up to the game, then it should automatically update if there is one available. If not, you're fully up to date. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.